If your business money feels messy and confusing, let me show you a simple system that can change everything. One business owner uses one account for everything. So every time they check their balance, they're guessing. Can I spend this? Do I need to hold it? What is this even for? Now compare that to a business owner who separates their money. They have an operating account for expenses, a tax account so they're not surprised later, and a profit account for what they can actually keep. Every time money comes in, it's already assigned. And then there's the moment where they check their account. They don't feel stress, they feel clarity. They already know what's safe to use and what needs to stay untouched. That's what structure does. It removes confusion, reduces stress, and gives you control over your business. One of the things we say at Downtime is clarity comes when your money is separated with purpose. If you want help setting up a system like this, contact us today at 779-351-9874. Downtyme Management, where your money finally makes sense.